a great choice today with the 2017 Lincoln MKZ. With sharp angles, sleek lines, and a sculpted body, the Lincoln MKZ has an impressive stance and a dynamic design. Add that to the clean, modern interior with standard features, including rich leather, exotic wood, and a sophisticated assistant that responds to the sound of your voice, and you'll see the MKZ offers a new dimension of luxury. This vehicle has less than 8,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, power passenger seat, keyless entry, anti-lock braking system, remote engine start, traction control, stability control, steering wheel audio controls, leather-wrapped steering wheel, Bluetooth, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, cruise control, auto-dimming rear view mirror, keyless start, aluminum wheels, floor mats, four-wheel disc brakes, climate control. Come take a test drive today.